Welcome. If you love discovering new styles, home decor, or creative ideas on Pinterest, you'll want to make the most of every shopping feature available. Today, I'll show you how to enable the Show Similar Products option on Pinterest, so you can shop smarter and find even more products you'll love. This is the latest method, updated for 2025, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture at the very top of your profile page. This will open up your account settings and give you access to more options. Now look for the section labeled Social Permissions. Tap on it to open up a list of settings that help you control how Pinterest interacts with your social experience and what features you can use. Scroll down through the options until you find Show Similar Products. This is the setting that allows Pinterest to recommend products that look like the ones you're already interested in. It's a great way to discover new brands, styles, and deals that match your taste. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch next to Show Similar Products. When the switch turns on, you'll start seeing more personalized shopping suggestions as you browse pins and boards. And that's it. You've just enabled a powerful shopping feature that can help you find the perfect item. Whether you're redecorating your space, refreshing your wardrobe, or searching for unique gifts. With Show Similar Products turned on, Pinterest will do the work of finding related items so you can spend less time searching and more time discovering. Try it out today and see how much easier shopping on Pinterest can be. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Pinterest tips and tricks.